go for the pit of despair. Yeah. Very nice, sir. Hey, you know what I just realized? What? I can't whistle with a mask on.
You cannot what?
Whistle.
Whistle?
Whistle with a mask on.
Yeah.
Hey, Rara, can you whistle with your mask on? Oh man. I get the tiniest of whistles out. Pretty lame. Wah! Forgot about that. Ugh. That there's no curb cut when you get closer to the trail, so you actually have to come up on the sidewalk. Nature! I haven't seen nature in weeks. Oh my dog! I can't smell it through my mask. High quality mask. Oh, I miss the smell of mud and frogs. Are you behind across the grass? You got it, Rana! Good. You can do it, you can do it. Although if you need an assist, I'm right behind you. Keep going, keep pedaling, keep pedaling. Keep pedaling, you got it. There you go. Ouch.
Remember when the tree fell back there?
I do. Aww. Woohoo! Ding ding! That was exciting. Look out for the pothole! And the other pothole and that pothole, and holy crap, there's a lot of potholes here. That was exciting. Rough road, no kidding. This is my trike. It's my best friend. That's weird. Although if you ever become an amputee, you're good to go, I guess.
Yeah, I got something with both legs. It's a 5-club flying. And vigilant. And trampled.
Gotcha.
This can make flying not be compatible with the trample.
Oh my gosh, no kidding.
Yeah.
Hey dude, come here, I'm gonna interview you. Where is your favorite place to bike?
Dairy Queen.
Well, okay, I don't mean destination. I mean, what route or ride or trail, or put that mask on your face, please.
Can't hear me like this though.
Oh, that's true. I might have to throw in subtitles.
Yeah.
Okay. Where is your favorite place to actively do the biking?
In the forest.
The forest? Which forest?
Any forest.
Have we been biking in forest?
No, but I just know it'll be fun. I need to actually adjust my mask.
Okay. Listen to the peepers.
Wow. I almost successfully did it hands-free.
Nice.
Then the last
So many peepers. Okay, so your favorite place that we normally bike?
The woodsy areas in the trail.
Okay, those are good choices. I like that. Is there a destination that you like most of all?
Dairy Queen.
Oh, we're turning around?
Yep.
Okie doke.
Run out of time.
Okay. Hey, Furaran. Hey, Furaran. What trail or route or place is your favorite to bike?
This one.
This one? Okay. What do you like about it?
It's smooth.
Smooth? Okay. What's your
Except for a little bumps here and there.
What's your favorite biking destination?
Somewhere with food.
Food. Okay.
Anywhere with food.
Anywhere with food. Okay. Sounds good. Hey, Steve. What trail or route is your favorite to bike?
Well, are you talking nearby or ever?
Well, I guess ever. You could mention ever and then nearby.
Well, I thought that El Spur trail was pretty cool.
That was really
Very
nice.
nice trail.
Okay.
The tunnels are a special highlight.
They are. Okay, how about
But-
nearby?
Nearby, I guess I kind of like Sweet Hollow.
I love Sweet Hollow.
Just, you know, the seclusion of it.
Excellent. And what's your favorite biking destination?
Definitely Dars.
Stars Double Scoop.
Dars
Yeah.
Double Scoop, yeah. You should add Mamas to that if we ever decide to do that.
Yep. That's a good destination as well. Thank you.
Bike to Mamas for lunch and or dinner, and then get
No, we
Dars.
bike to Mama's, have lunch, then go bike some more, then on our way back stop at Dars.
Ooh, there you're talking now.
Oh yeah, I got this plan.
Oh, serious.
So my favorite trail to ride in the near area, I really like Sweet Hollow, like Steve has said. My commute to work makes me really happy. I can go through Sweet Hollow and then I get to go down by the river, and I really enjoy both of those elements. Except when the river smells really bad, that's less fun. So I'm a big fan of going to Dars Double Scoop. Although last year we did a couple bike rides out towards North St. Paul and stopped by the Snowman. I'll try to throw in a picture here. And we walked over to Domino's and got pizza and just had a impromptu picnic by the Snowman, so that was really cool. We do a fair amount of biking. I was hoping to get the kids bike camping this year, but I'm just not sure that's happening. We'll see. Go, go, Petunia!